Hi, I'm Dan Menakheim. I'm doing a home inspection in St. Petersburg, Florida. This place is totally remodeled, new air conditioning, new electric, new plumbing, and they even had permits. Most of it looks really great. One issue we found here today was the air coming out of this garage remodel is really low. And it's making this room about 10 degrees warmer than the rest of the house. So you set up your bedroom here and you're gonna be sweating at night. Also, we found a couple other little things that'll need repair before they take ownership. Got a little drip underneath the sink here. And also here's an electrical issue over here. It's a brand new GFCI outlet. Sometimes right out of the box they come out defective. There's power to the outlet, but it won't. The breaker won't reset on this GFCI outlet, so there's actually no power to the outlet here. So if you wanted to set up your toaster there, you'd be out of luck. These are some of the things we look for when we do inspections. Dan Menakheim, SEC Inspection Services, doing an inspection in St. Petersburg, Florida.